Do you want to check OS installation date in Windows 11 or 10? Then you are at the right place, as we know how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. There may come a time when you may want to or need to know your Windows installation date or the date and time when your Windows 11 or 10 OS was installed on your computer. There are several ways to find this out, which we will show in this video. Let's get started. Method 1. Use the systeminfo command line tool. You can use the systeminfo built-in tool to check the OS installation date. Open any vetted command prompt window and then type this command and hit enter. You will be able to see the original install date and time. Method 2. Use Windows folder properties. Go to this PC, right-click the Windows folder from the default drive. Select Show More options. Then Properties and see the entry in front of Created under the General tab. Here, you should see the time and date. But if you have upgraded your Windows version to a higher version, you will see the date when the earlier version was installed and not when the latest version was installed or upgraded. Method 3. Check the Windows Registry. The Windows installation date is also stored in the Windows Registry in the key shown here as Unix time. That is, as a 32-bit value displaying the time in the number of seconds since 1st Jan 1970. Open Registry Editor using Windows Search and navigate to hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/install date. Method 4. Use a PowerShell command. To find out the date, open Windows PowerShell as administrator. Type this and hit enter. The date and time your Windows was installed should be displayed. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.